In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export an Inkscape file as a JPG image. If you're designing graphics, thumbnails, illustrations, or social media images in Inkscape, exporting your work to JPG is a really useful skill because JPG files are widely supported across websites, apps, and platforms. The process is actually very quick once you know where the settings are, but many beginners struggle to find the export panel or choose the correct options. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything step by step, including how to choose the correct export area, how to change the format to JPEG, how to control the quality and DPI, and an important thing you need to know about JPG files and transparency. By the end of this video, you'll be able to export clean JPG images from Inkscape in just a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right into it. First, open the Inkscape project that you want to export. This could be a logo, illustration, graphic design, or any artwork you've created. Once your file is open, the first thing we need to do is open the export panel. The fastest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus E on your keyboard. As soon as you press that shortcut, the export panel will appear on the right side of your Inkscape window. This panel is where you control exactly how your file will be exported. Inside the export panel, the first thing you need to choose is the export area. This determines what part of your design will be exported as the final image. You will usually see options like page, drawing, selection, or custom. If you want to export everything that fits inside the page boundaries, choose page. If you only want to export a specific object or design element, first select it in your workspace and then choose selection as the export area. This is really helpful when you only need one element from a larger project. Next, look for the Format dropdown inside the export settings. By default, Inkscape may export as PNG, but for this tutorial, we want to change it to JPEG. Open the Format dropdown menu and select JPEG with the file extension JPG. Once you select JPEG, additional settings will appear that allow you to control the quality of the exported image. Now, let's talk about DPI and quality. DPI stands for dots per inch, and it controls the resolution of the exported image. If you are exporting for websites, social media, or general online use, you can usually set the DPI to 96, which keeps the file size smaller while still looking sharp on screens. If you plan to print the image, you should increase the DPI to around 300 for much higher detail. Just below the DPI option, you'll also see a quality slider. Moving this slider higher increases image quality, but also increases the file size. A higher quality setting is usually best if you want the clearest result. After setting your export area, format, DPI, and quality, the next step is choosing where the file will be saved. Click the folder icon in the export panel. This will allow you to choose the destination on your computer and set the name of your JPG file. Pick the location where you want the image saved and give it a clear file name so you can easily find it later. Once everything looks correct, simply click the Export button. Inkscape will instantly generate your JPG file and save it to the location you selected. You can now open that file, upload it online, or use it in other software. Now, there is one very important thing you should know when exporting JPG images from Inkscape. JPG files do not support transparency. That means if your design has transparent areas, those areas will automatically appear white in the exported image. If you need transparency, you should export your design as a PNG instead. But if a white background works for your design, JPG is perfectly fine and often results in smaller file sizes. And that's it. That's how to export an Inkscape file as a JPG image quickly and correctly. Once you've done it a couple of times, the entire process takes just a few seconds. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials on Inkscape and other creative software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.